let's move the form to the right side of the web page. For that, I go to the style sheet again, form open curly brackets like this in the 53rd line. Now between these brackets in the 54th line, I type as margin colon 20px 0 20px 50% semicolon. Here we give the values related to the four sides of the form. Now let's see if the form tag and background image are fixed properly. Click on the refresh icon in this preview window. Now the form tag and the background image are fixed exactly. Wouldn't it be nice if the size of the text boxes changes a little bit more? I will go back to the style sheets to create the required code for that. Now in the 56th line, I will use input curly brackets. Now I enter the code needed to make the text box, the code to create the space between the letters and the border, and the code to create the margin in this way between these brackets. Now let's see the preview. Click on the refresh icon in this preview window. Look, now the size of the text box has changed as we need. Now we have come to the end of our web page. Now let's make this button beautiful, shall we? Then I go to the style sheet again. Now in the 61st line, I use the button curly brackets. Now between these brackets, I change the color of the button as background dash color colon #00 CDC1 semicolon. Now come to the next line to change the color of the letters. It is typed as color colon white semicolon. Now in the 64th line, padding colon 12px 20px semicolon is used to make the space between the letters and the borders. Now in the 65th line, it is typed as margin colon 10px 0 430px semicolon and change the sizes of all four sides. Now let's see the preview. Click on the refresh icon in the preview window. Now see that the button will be displayed in a beautiful color change. Now we have completed creating our web page. Now look at our web page. It is beautiful, isn't it, little friends? So if there is an output like this, you little ones are very successful. To see the creation you made, WhatsApp it to the phone number note 7681252244. Tell your friends about the creation as well. Send it to me and also send it to your friends to see this app. And one more thing, you too can now join the DP Coding School Telegram group and try to be the DP Code Champ Best of the Week once every week. For that, keep in touch with us. And one more thing, join our DP Coding Club and now you can start a DP Coding Club in your school as well. We are ready to give you all the guidance for that. If you want to start a DP Coding Club in any school where computer labs are available, make a request to the principal of your school to the email address info@dpcc.lk. So let's meet with another interesting lesson through DP Coding School. Have a nice day.